here in the shop, we're going to change out an on-off switch on a 7R edger from American Sanders. All right, so we're here in the shop. We're going to change out an on-off switch on a 7R edger from American Sanders, and I'm with Miguel, and Miguel's going to start taking it apart. We're going to remove the 2 screws from the retaining plate. Then we're going to remove the retaining nut, take all that apart, and then I'll show you the wiring inside, what is essentially power or line side, and then the lamp wires, and then the wires that go to the field or stator. So that's a 9/16 wrench for the retaining nut. So just take note that if your edger does have the directional on it, the directional retainer, which says on and off, it's going to have a notch on the back side at the off side, and so does the switch. So the switch is going to have a notch that's going to fit into and tell you which side is the off side. So we tape all of the switches after they're rewired. There's a lot of metal in here, and we don't want any shorts. So we have an aluminum handle. We're real close to the brush block, which holds the carbon brushes. So taping it out with electrical tape is a good idea. So we have the retaining plate removed. We have access to the switch, and what you want to notice here, we have the line in on the off side of the switch, and we also have the lamp wires, which are the 2 black ones here, that go to the front light. So when it's plugged in, you know that the machine is hot. So we're going to remove these terminal screws, replace it with the new switch with the slot to the back on the off side, and then button it back up.
There's the cables.
Yep. So this is power in.
2 tiny cables, light.
These are the lamp wires. And then these 2 here go to the field. And you can see that once you're in there. Lamp wires line in from the cable and to the field. All right, so we got 2, 4, 6 wires. 4 are going to go on one side and 2 are going to go on the other. That's it. So he'll be taping these up. You do want to be conscious of your wire management, so you don't pinch anything or push anything into the commutator, which is essentially the copper part that the brushes ride on. So you see, as far as clearance, what he has here is just a couple threads showing, and what that's going to do is draw the switch further into the handle assembly so that we clear the toggle from the top surface of the edger if you flip it over.
Nice.
So you can see there, the toggle switch is clear of the lid, and we're good to go. So that's a switch change. You know, the switches are going to come with the 4 brass terminals and the retaining nut. And if you have any questions or need any of these parts, you can certainly go to cityfloorsupply.com, or if you want to speak with someone, you can give us a call at 800-737-1786.